The job description of a painter involves the preparation and application of paint, varnish, and other finishes to various surfaces in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. Painters play an essential role in both construction and maintenance, as their work not only enhances aesthetic appeal but also provides surface protection against damage from elements like moisture, sunlight, and general wear and tear. Painters work in a variety of environments, on new buildings, during remodeling projects, or in restoration work, and their attention to detail ensures high-quality, long-lasting results. Painting is a skilled trade that requires more than just a steady hand and a brush. A professional painter must understand surface preparation techniques, application methods, color theory, safety regulations, and how different materials interact. Whether they are coating walls, ceilings, bridges, or machinery, painters contribute significantly to the appearance and durability of structures and objects. The role also calls for adaptability, physical stamina, and the ability to work independently or as part of a larger construction or maintenance team. Painters can work for painting contractors, construction firms, manufacturing companies, government agencies, or operate independently as freelancers. With opportunities in both interior and exterior painting, decorative finishes, and specialty coatings, the field is broad and offers various career paths for those with skill and experience. Key responsibilities of a painter. One of the primary responsibilities of a painter is surface preparation. Before any paint or coating is applied, the painter must inspect and assess the surface condition. This may involve washing, scraping, sanding, filling holes or cracks, and priming the surface. Proper preparation ensures that the final finish adheres properly and maintains its appearance over time. In some cases, especially in industrial environments, this also includes removing rust, old coatings, or contaminants through methods like chemical treatments or sandblasting. Once the surface is prepared, painters apply paint or other finishes using brushes, rollers, spray guns, or specialized tools. Depending on the material and surface, multiple coats may be required, and each must be applied with precision. Achieving consistent coverage, clean lines, and smooth textures is a hallmark of a skilled painter. Painters must understand drying times, environmental conditions, and proper ventilation to ensure that coatings cure properly and safely. Painters are also responsible for selecting and mixing paints and finishes. They may need to match colors to existing surfaces or blend pigments to achieve a specific shade. This task demands a good eye for color and knowledge of mixing techniques. Additionally, they must be familiar with the different types of paints: oil-based, water-based, latex, epoxy, and more, and their appropriate uses in various settings. Painters working in commercial or industrial environments may deal with specialty coatings that require specific knowledge and equipment. These might include fire-resistant paints, anti-corrosive coatings, or textures applied to concrete or metal surfaces. Such jobs often require adherence to safety protocols and compliance with industry standards. Cleaning up after a job is another essential responsibility. This includes safely disposing of paint waste, cleaning tools and equipment, and ensuring the workspace is tidy and hazard-free. Painters also document their work, especially for large projects, and report progress or issues to supervisors or clients. Midway through the exploration of these duties, it becomes clear that the job description of a painter involves far more than merely applying color. It is a role that combines craftsmanship, technical knowledge, and safety awareness, often under varied and challenging working conditions. Required skills and qualities. To perform effectively, a painter must possess a unique combination of manual dexterity, physical strength, and artistic sensibility. Steady hands and good hand-eye coordination are essential for producing clean, even coats and fine detailing. Equally important is the ability to visualize how a finished project should look and translate that vision into reality. attention to detail is crucial. Whether it's cutting in a straight line where a wall meets a ceiling or ensuring a consistent finish across a large surface, small mistakes can be highly visible and costly to correct. Precision and thoroughness directly influence the quality of the finished product. Time management and organizational skills help painters meet deadlines, especially when working on large projects or tight schedules. Painters often work in environments where their tasks must be coordinated with other trades, such as electricians, carpenters, or plumbers, requiring efficient planning and adaptability. Painters also need a sound understanding of safety practices. This includes working at heights using ladders or scaffolding, handling potentially hazardous materials, wearing protective equipment, and ensuring proper ventilation in enclosed spaces. Familiarity with OSHA guidelines and material safety data sheets, MSDS, is often necessary, especially on construction or industrial sites. Communication and customer service skills are important, particularly for painters who deal directly with clients. Explaining color choices, project timelines, or post-painting care requires clarity and professionalism. For independent painters or small business owners, these interpersonal skills can directly impact customer satisfaction and business growth, work environment, and job challenges. Painters work in a variety of settings, each with unique challenges. Residential painters may work indoors, in furnished homes, or outdoors on ladders under different weather conditions. Commercial and industrial painters often face harsher environments, such as warehouses, chemical plants, or construction zones. Regardless of the setting, physical stamina is essential, as the work can involve standing for long hours, climbing, lifting, and repetitive motions. Painters often work full-time and may be required to work evenings or weekends to meet deadlines or avoid disrupting business hours. Self-employed painters must also manage their own schedules, marketing, and financial tasks, which can add to the demands of the role. Weather can be a major constraint for exterior painting jobs. Rain, high humidity, or extreme temperatures can delay projects or affect paint adhesion. Similarly, painters in cold climates may have limited outdoor work opportunities during winter months. Health risks such as exposure to fumes, solvents, or dust also exist. Therefore, personal protective equipment, PPE, such as masks, gloves, and goggles, must be used regularly. Ventilation and workspace cleanliness are essential to maintaining safety. Despite these challenges, the work is highly rewarding for those who enjoy tangible results and transforming spaces. Seeing a room or building come to life with color or finish can offer a strong sense of accomplishment and pride. Education, training, and career path. Becoming a painter typically does not require a formal degree. Most painters start with a high school diploma or equivalent, followed by on-the-job training or apprenticeships. Apprenticeships, which can last 2 to 4 years, combine classroom instruction with practical experience and cover essential topics such as surface preparation, coating techniques, blueprint reading, and safety regulations. Some painters may pursue certification through organizations such as the National Center for Construction Education and Research, NCCR, or unions that offer formal training programs. These credentials can improve employability and demonstrate professional competence. Experienced painters can advance to supervisory roles such as crew leader, foreman, or project manager. Others may specialize in decorative painting, restoration work, or industrial coatings. Self-employment is also a common path, with opportunities to establish a painting business and build a client base. In today's market, painters who stay updated on eco-friendly products, sustainable practices, and innovative techniques can set themselves apart. The increasing demand for green building solutions has introduced low VOC paints and environmentally conscious methods, which many clients now prefer. Conclusion: The job description of a painter reflects a profession that blends artistry, technical skill, and practical application. From surface preparation to the final brushstroke, painters contribute significantly to the safety, durability, and visual appeal of buildings and structures. Their role is fundamental in construction, renovation, and maintenance, offering consistent demand across industries and regions. For individuals who are detail-oriented, enjoy hands-on work, and take pride in transforming spaces, a career as a painter offers both creativity and job stability. Whether working independently or as part of a larger team, painters leave a lasting impression on every surface they touch, quite literally coloring the world around us.